you go to some of the WhatsApp platforms or you go to some of the commentaries in the TikToks and others, we have what we call hate speech.
Because I want this video to cut across all tribes or across Ghana and the world, I want to say this in English. You see, sometimes most of you, when we do video and you come under this comment section, you say all sorts of things, insult us, threaten us, write hate speech and all that. Listen, I want to advise you guys that you people need to stop, because our own president, the father of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has a message for you people. And those of you who have been typing hate speech and threatening us, saying all sorts of things, this video is for you. Listen and change your ways. Go and sin no more. After watching this video, I know you guys will learn. Let's live as one people. See me as your brother, as your sister. I see you as my sister as well. Let's see ourselves as one people and stop the hate speech, because it will not help us at all. We are building Ghana and we need unity for all of us to stay here peacefully so that there won't be any war. Okay? Watch and listen to what His Excellency Dramani Mahama is saying to you.
If you go to some of the WhatsApp platforms or you go to some of the commentaries in the TikToks and others, we have what we call hate speech, incitement to violence. Those are criminal. Despite the fact that we have removed the criminal libel laws, there are some laws that make such people accountable. Because if we don't regulate that sector, it can lead this nation to war. There are some of the incendiary statements that have been made in the Boko situation that are fueling some of what is happening there, making people hate each other and see each other as enemies. It's been the same in the Gonja Brefo thing. Some people fanning and inciting violence against each other. This falls in the ambit of the National Signals Bureau. And so the National Signals Bureau now has the technology to use your IP number and find you wherever you are. So I'm sending a signal to Ghanaians that we can find you those doing those hate speech and things. We'll use your IP number, we'll trace you. And when we trace you, we'll deal with you under the criminal code for inciting violence and disturbance of the peace. But I believe that beyond that, we must start making regulation for this new media, because it's unregulated. And so anybody just takes a phone and says, oh, this plane crash, I wish that so and so had been the one in the helicopter and had died, and dwarfs have eaten him in the forest. I mean, why would you say something like that? And so we need regulation for that new emerging media. But in the meantime, the National Signals Bureau has been given the full authority to track down people who do that kind of thing and bring them to be sanctioned under the criminal code.